Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Welcome back to Grumpy's Laid Back Carvings. I hope everybody's having an awesome day. I got a little mail video to do here. Sticker trade, you could say. This is cool. I like this. It reminds me of when I was little and they tried to make us do the pen pal thing in school. You know, write letters to somebody you didn't know, vice versa. I could never do that. But this YouTube thing is pretty cool because it brings so many people together from all over the place. Let's see. Okay. No return addresses are on here, so I'm good with that. I don't want to give away nobody's address. I don't care if you get my address. But here we go. This is cool by Airmail, and I love that stamp. That's cool. All right, Grumpy got a sticker, but it's awesome. This sticker comes from Roy's TimberArt Techniques. He's got an awesome YouTube channel. Y'all need to go check him out. Very laid back. I like the vibe. Mr. Roy's he's just got a very calm demeanor and just very relaxing. You know, he does some awesome birdhouses and does some awesome power carving and whittling. Pretty cool with all of it. I really dig his birdhouses and I like watching him whittle. And it's cool. It's very relaxing. His channel is just overall an awesome channel. But I got a letter. It's pretty cool. I like it. I hope he doesn't mind if I read it. It says to Tim, I just wanted to thank you for agreeing to a sticker exchange and for all the help and support you've given me during my time on my YouTube channel, Roy's TimberArt. Your encouragement really means a lot and has made the whole experience ever more enjoyable. Truly appreciate your kindness and look forward to continuing to share and support each other's work. That's just cool. That's awesome. And I like the letterhead that it came on. This is just too cool. Hey, here you go right here, everybody. Pause the video, scan that right there, and it will take you straight to his channel. Like, subscribe, comment, do all that good stuff so your subscription will stick. It's free. There you go. I had to do that. But that's too cool. I like that. And that's awesome. I will keep this. Call me crazy, but I keep all my letters and everything that comes with any mail that I get. I cherish it. I enjoy it. It's awesome community that we got going. Look, check it out. There's my stickers. I got two. I'm going to put one inside my box here, and then I'm going to put one out here in front of my lathe. That's what I do. If I get any kind of extras, always, if it's just one, it's going inside here for sure. But if I get two, I put one here, one by my lathe. But yes, sir, that is just too cool. Let me pause this. Don't want to make y'all seasick while I move stuff around, but I'll be right back. Alright, let me turn this back on. I got it figured out where I want to go. I want to come right over here next to Old Pat's sticker. Let me get that out of the way real quick. Put that over there. I already got the backing off. Make sure I ain't got no dust. That's what y'all do. Make sure you ain't got no dust on them walls, because stickers don't stick to dust. And I want my stickers to stay. It's when I ever rebuild my box. That's gonna be fun because I won't keep all my stickers. I'll have to incorporate this wall in there somehow. So we come down just a touch right there. Now I gotta get. Oh, ouch! I hit my head. Right there. Oh, no air bubbles. Oh, back up again. Perfect. Not overlapping nobody. Everybody's up. Get this out of the way. It's one of my little stir sticks when I try to do my blanks. Alright. Mr. Roy, I have sent your sticker. We do the what is it? The forever stamps is what we call them here. You have the standard internet or the standard statewide stamps, and then we have them the forever stamps for international. They're like $1.75. I don't think that gives me airmail, so my sticker's not gonna make it to you near as fast as your sticker made it here. But trust me, it is on the way. And if it somehow gets lost or doesn't show up within a reasonable time, I will definitely put another one out. But I have sent your sticker. Because yeah, this is awesome. I enjoy your channel, and yeah, I was stoked to do a sticker swap. I greatly appreciate it. Let's see. Whoop. Get a little closer. There we go. There's Mr. Roy's sticker right there. Y'all go check him out. Remember, pause my video and scan his QR code right here. That'll take you straight to his channel. But it's Roy's TimberArt Techniques. Awesome. Like I said, there's his little birdhouses I was talking about. Like I said, I love watching him do those, and then his whittling and everything. And he plays with a scroll saw. There's all kind of woodworking stuff. It's just an all-around cool channel. Go check him out. But let me zoom back out. Do everybody shout outs. We're gonna see. I gotta put Mr. Roy's sticker out there by my leg, but we're gonna go ahead and do the shout outs in here. Y'all go check out Old Path. Awesome guy, awesome channel. Carbon Fusion right here. The Carbon Fusion, that's Jordy Johnson's channel. That's where I got my power carbon starts at right there. He does awesome wood spirits and does all kind of cool chainsaw stuff. I can't do the chainsaw stuff. I'm jealous. I wish I could. But that's some cool work there. Rhinestone Suzanne's awesome channel. DeLand's Handmade Woodworking, awesome channel. Perry, the Carbon Wizard, he's got an awesome channel. Sean Brooks, Pin on Fire, awesome channel. Y'all go check him out. This right here is my grumpy pipe. Robert C. Peters made that from Peter Piper. Reimer PT, go check his channel out. Awesome channel. Jump back. We're gonna go Electric Whittler Josh. Check him out. Good channel, good guy. Sophie Under the Bark. She's got an awesome channel. I really enjoy it. Bear and the Boss Lady, awesome channel. Josh, go check him out. Josh and Casey, Creation Dust 777. They got a good channel going. I like it, very good. Check them out. Michael, very good guy, awesome guy. He's got a small channel going with some welding clips up. Got to get some more stuff out there because you can make stuff with some of that weld, man. Take you some welding rods, weld them together, make some. I'm telling you, you can do it. Awesome channel. I'd be watching it. Miss Francis, Beating Crazy Custom Creations. Y'all go check her channel out. Very awesome channel. I love the vibe over there. Johnny's Lathe Crafts. He does some awesome pin blanks and turns some crazy pins. Awesome. I really enjoy watching that too. Ray and Sandy, good channel, good guy. Two Brothers, One Vision. That's Larry Dibbs and Darren Dibbs. Awesome. Same thing here. That's their logo for Two Brothers, One Vision. Be a lighthouse. That's what Larry always says. Wowie at Wowie's Workshop. Y'all go check it out. Very cool. Professor Rusty's Workshop. Awesome. He needs to get some more videos, but awesome. Dad's. He's got a cool channel. Dad Carves. And then this came from Professor Rusty's sticker pack. And ouch. Over here. I gotta get up, move. Let's see if I can set my phone down without it fall. It's gonna fall, so let me set y'all right here. Anyway, off the dust right here. And I'm gonna get Mr. Roy's other sticker put up out here on my lathe board. Good quality stickers right there. And we're gonna put him right here next to Perry and under Wowie sticker. Perfect. No air bubbles, perfect. Get y'all some light on. Alright, getting seasick. Hold on, y'all. Alright, there's Mr. Roy's other sticker. Thank you so much, Mr. Roy. Michael's, got check him out. Bear in the Bobsleddy, Electric Woodlift, Perry's Creations, Carbon's Creations. Yeah, we're getting seasick. Wally sticker, Jordy's other sticker, Ray and Sandy sticker, Delen's Handmade Woodworking, and then Off Track Syndicate's a channel that Professor Rusty goes and does some lives in. Pretty cool. Y'all go check them all out. And this is my dirty, dusty lathe station. It's a mess. Got to get to turning some more stuff. And then I got that sticker from Professor Rusty. Let's see, got a terrible glare going on. Skilled labor isn't cheap. Cheap labor isn't skilled. I love that. And then Michael S's other sticker that I got down here within welding. That's pretty cool. I like that. Alright, y'all. Thank you so much for the support. Yeah, I'm back over in the box. But go check out all these channels. I'm going to have a link for Mr. Roy's channel in the description. And again, check out all these other channels. Awesome support. Awesome community. I like this carbon community. It's not even a carbon community. I call it a creators community, because everybody's got their own little thing they do. Everybody's doing some woodworking or epoxy or resin. It's just all kinds of cool stuff. Y'all go check it out. Thank you. Y'all have a great day.